Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stacked bar chart in Power BI that displays both absolute values and percentages side by side. By the end of this video, you'll have two powerful visualizations, one showing raw sales numbers and another revealing how each product contributes as a percentage within each region. Trust me, if you want to tell a more complete data story in your dashboards, you're definitely going to want to know this technique. So let's dive right in. Alright, first things first. We need to create our measures that Power BI will use in these charts. If you head over to the data pane on the right, find the table that's holding your sales information. Now this next part is really important because we're basically teaching Power BI how to calculate exactly what we want. Right-click on that table and select New Measure. Power BI will pop up the formula bar for you to enter your DAX code. For the absolute value, you'll want a measure that simply sums up total sales. Type in something like total sales equals sum sales amount. This little bit of code tells Power BI to add up all the sales figures in your data. Think of this measure as the foundation for your chart. It's the raw numbers, like counting all the items sold in each region. Go ahead and hit Enter to save it. We'll do the same process for the percentage measure. Once again, right-click your table and choose New Measure. This time you want to calculate each component's share within the region. So imagine each bar as a pie, and the segments are different products like laptops, mice, or keyboards. For percentage, you'll need a formula, maybe like sales percent total sales / calculate total sales, except sales region. This tells Power BI to find each product's proportion within its region, which is super helpful for quickly spotting which products dominate without having to squint at numbers and do the math in your head. Now that we've got our measures, it's time to build the first chart, the stacked bar chart that shows the absolute values. In the Visualizations pane, find the stacked bar chart icon and click to drop it onto your report canvas. For the y-axis, drag in region. This will break up the chart so you've got a bar for each region. Next, for the x-axis, add your new total sales measure. This makes the bar length show total sales per region. Finally, for the legend, bring in product so each bar is split into different colors for, say, laptop, mouse, and keyboard. Suddenly, you can see not only total sales by region, but also how each product contributes. At this point, you've built your first chart. It's showing hard numbers, which is great when you want your audience to see scale. But what if you want to make comparisons fair between regions of different sizes? Here, the trick. We'll show percentages too. Here, what I like to do, just copy the chart you've already made, right-click and select Copy, then paste a duplicate right next to the original. In this second chart, simply swap out the total sales measure for the sales percent measure you created earlier. You'll instantly see the same stacked bars, but now their segments are sized by percentage, not absolute sales. The key here is to go into the formatting options for the x-axis and make sure it's formatted as percentage so your viewers know exactly what they're looking at. And that's it. With just a couple of measures and a quick chart setup, you now have two powerful stacked bar charts, one showing the raw numbers and one showing percentages. This dual approach gives you and your viewers much deeper insights, like both seeing the big picture and the fine details at the same time. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups along the way, drop a comment below. I always love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.